today, got a bit of sun, a bit of warm weather. I'm going to drop back on this roof and do a bit of GRP in today and just pick some other little jobs up what I need to do. So we're just about to mix some resin up. If you check out my other video, I actually did a full video on how to lay the matting, etc. So check that out if you're interested. Clean stick. So I put quite a lot of hardener in there because I want it to go off really quick. So whilst that resin's drying, I bought these screws. Well, they're like self-tappers, and I'm going to have to try and fix the stud walling to the corner posts of the trailer, but inside the corner post there's a pipe, so I'm going to have to be very careful with my measurements not to puncture that pipe. So this is the timber here. I need to fix it to that, and I'll show you underneath. So we've only got that little gap there to get a screw in. So I've just checked up the pipe and I can't see a screw sticking out, so we'll get the rest of them in. Right, I'm glad I've got that done because it's been annoying me, that just them corners. So I'm impressed with them screws too. Mix number 2. Please, now I've got all them little jobs done, because if you leave all them little niggly bits, they all add up at end and then it's hard to get back to. So I've got all them sorted.